In this lecture, we will see that how we can connect to Red Hat Linux remotely. Before that, we need to check some properties. So let us see that. So if I go to my Red Hat Linux, so this is the GUI version, and here you can see there is a terminal. So you just click on this, and here you can perform some operations which is related to the Linux only, Red Hat Linux only. But mostly we see that the system administrator, they are using this terminal quite a lot to perform their day-to-day activity. Okay, so this is the terminal. You can open it. Like for example, if I want to run a command, who am I? So it is showing I'm logged in as a Raman user. If you want to see the IP address, IP space A, and it will give you the IP addresses. Maybe this font is little bit small, but we will connect remotely. Okay, so here you can see this is the IP address 10.0.2.50. Okay, so currently we are using the IP address which is automatically assigned to this. Okay, so now what we can do here, uh, we want to connect this particular uh, this particular machine remotely, because connecting with this way it is uh, little bit difficult, not difficult, uncomfortable, I would say, to go and connect uh, directly in the GUI terminal. Because 90% of the work will be done through the command line. So it is a good idea that you connect this to through the remote system. In real time also, when you are having a production machine, you are not going to the production machine and connecting it, you are connecting remotely. So we need some software. So in next lecture, I will show you two software, which is Putty and the MOBA Extra, that how you can download and install. And then we will connect this machine through that Putty. Okay. So Uh, so that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye-bye.